For some analysis into this, let's bring in Professor Yin Haitao from Shanghai Jiao Tong University. He's the Vice Dean of Antai College of Economics and also Management. Professor Yin, welcome to Global Watch. Well, NDRC, as we heard, said it would ensure stable energy supplies this winter and next spring, and placed 6 measures to curb all of this. What do you think of the 6 measures?
Thank you. I want to emphasize 3 messages from the NDRC, National Development and Reform Committee. First, our government places the people at the very center. We should have confidence from the NDRC that the residential electricity consumption will not be affected in this winter and next spring. This message has been emphasized a couple of times in the response from NDRC. It's super clear. Second, our government is determined to control the development of energy-intensive industries. Industrial activities that burn a lot of coal should really prepare for the real winter. Third, although the goal for controlling energy consumption stays the same, our government will encourage local governments to do so in a more institutionalized manner, instead of an ad hoc way as we have observed in the last 2 weeks. That's my personal view.
Professor, how long do you think it would take for these measures to really come into effect? Because as far as I understand it, it needs some investigations into the scale of the enterprises impacted and also other issues as well.
The first 4 measures, as you can tell, are something that we can do immediately. We will see the policy results, policy impact. That is residential energy consumption, including electricity supply, winter heating, public transportation, etc. They are not going to be affected at all this summer. I think the policy impact is immediate. But as for the last 2 measures, that is ensuring that the energy cost flows smoothly along the supply chain and curbing the development of energy-intensive industries, requires systematic reforms on the pricing mechanism, requires changes in the industrial sector. They will be a long-term effort.
Then how do you think this power outages would affect factories, especially small and medium-sized businesses?
Yes, in the affected industries, I would argue, for instance, the metallurgical industry, chemical industry, textile industry, the factories would suffer a lot. But I want to emphasize that they suffer not only because of the power curtailment, but more importantly, because this power curtailment comes to them as a surprise. This is why our government and the NDRC actually emphasize that the future energy control should be done in a more institutionalized manner, ideally from market signal, instead of through a command and control approach. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Professor Yin Haitao from Shanghai Jiao Tong University.